Hello everyone, welcome back. I'm back with TXT. Today I'm gonna watch all of the MVs for their solo songs. So yeah, we have 5 videos and I'm gonna watch them twice. So I don't know. I don't think it's gonna be a short video. I think it's gonna be a long video, but let's go. I was so excited and I did it. I stopped myself. I wanted to watch everything together and it was really difficult to not get any spoilers, but I did it. So let's go. We have the first one, Ghost Girl by Yeonjun, the official MV. Let's go. I'm so excited. Oh, this song's so good. Oh yeah, I forgot to say I have already listened to the whole album. So if you want to watch my reaction to the album, you can go watch it. I'll leave the link in the description, or you can just go on my channel. It's on the TXT playlist. But just the MV today, alright? Because I do already know the song, and I've been listening to these songs this past 2 weeks, because it's so good. Oh, he's an artist, yeah. Oh. You can be my ghost girl. You can take my soul, girl. I love this vibe. You can be my ghost girl. You can be my ghost girl. 내 심장을 터쳐 지배당한 채 나의 모든 걸 넘겨. You can be my ghost girl. I feel you 발닿는 곳 그 어디든 꼭 신 듯해 너에게 전부 실시할 듯한 감정 너만이 내 손 너만이 내 춤. He's so pretty. You're the one I don't wanna lose. 지독하게 열이올라. My favorite part. 뒤척여 every night in my bed. 환청처럼 울린 alarm. 첫눈에 뜬 순간 Oh, he's mad. You can be my ghost girl. You can take my soul, girl. 나를 잃은 채 전부 잊을게 real world. You can be my ghost girl. Wow, I love that. You can be my ghost girl. 내 심장을 터쳐 지배당한 채 나의 모든 걸 넘겨. You can be my ghost girl. All of my friends 날 보곤 따법해. I love the outfit. And I don't really care, I don't really care. 지옥마저 천국일 테니 baby 함께 있어줄게. I love it, nothing get me scared. Darling 너와 함께라면 걸어가 through the door. I love that he's reaching out. 너로 인해 정신은 날 따라가 where you are. 어떤 이별조차 좋아해. Oh my god, he looks so hot. You can be my ghost girl, come and take my soul, girl. 영혼을 다 쏟아서 더 꺼내는 heart. You can be my ghost girl. You can be my ghost girl. 나를 잠식해도 오직 너만이 나를 숨쉬게 한 girl. You can be my ghost girl. I just wanna be with you. I just wanna stay with you. I just wanna live and die with you. You can be my ghost girl. Wow, beautiful. Like he can draw her with his eyes closed. I mean, it is the silhouette. It's like when you I don't know, I'm trying just to think too much about this MV. Alright, but guys can tell me your thoughts about this MV. What do you think it's about? Or if you know what it's about, if you talked in, anywhere about this MV. I really liked how one thing I noticed. Okay, let me just go here. One thing I noticed right here. I was looking at the time, like, you don't have her face. in any of these pictures. Like, it's just kind of blurry, and the silhouette and the back, but you don't have a clear face. It's like when you last saw someone, and with the memories starts blurring in your head, and you kind of don't remember more. You don't remember any more of their faces. You get what I mean? I feel like it's kind of that. Like, he's just, when he closes his eyes, he can see her, but he can see her clearly. I don't know. It's just what I think. At first watch though. Let's watch it again and see if it changes. Let me pay more attention. And I am gonna pause a little bit, okay? Let's go. I love this. And that butterfly. It is a butterfly? I don't know. A moth? Oh, I love this. And you see, all of these pictures, they are in black and white. But the one that he's drawing right now, he's painting right now, it has red in it. Like, it has colors. And this one they don't have. Just a few noticed. You can be my ghost girl, you can sing my soul girl. The song's so yearning, I love it. You can be my ghost girl. You can be my ghost girl. 내 심장을 터쳐 지배당한 채 나의 모든 걸 넘겨. You can be my ghost girl. He's so pretty. Wow, wow. You can be my ghost girl. I love the fit. He looks like a rock star. And I don't know, maybe it's because he's tired. Like, his eyes are tired. Maybe looking for this ghost girl. Trying to remember, like, he can sleep. Maybe that's the vibe we're going. And I like it fits the MV so much. It fits the song as well. Like, that obsessed vibe, the yearning, like, I can only breathe, you are my breath. Like, I can only breathe when you're near me. Like, I can't sleep. Wow, he's so handsome. I'm aching for you again. You can be my ghost girl, you can sing my soul girl. 나를 잃은 채 전부 잊을게 real world. You can be my ghost girl. You can be my ghost girl. 내 심장을 터쳐 지배당한 채 나의 모든 걸 넘겨. Give you my all under your control. Hell will be heaven to me. If you stay with me, anywhere is heaven. Wow, he's so pretty. I love this part, the way that he's reaching out. Oh my god. I'll walk through the dark. Like, his hand is going through the dark. Maybe because of you, I love this song. He's so hot. Oh, the heart, and he's holding the heart. I love this part of the song where his voice is a little, not a crack, You know what I mean? Like it's got high pitch. Just that part, it's I'm obsessed. Woo! Love it. Sorrow.
I just wanna be with you. I just wanna stay with you. I just wanna live and die with you. You can be my ghost girl.
Beautiful. I love the song. I love the MV. The vibes, like this artist, and he's obsessed with her, and yeah, it's so cool. Yeah, hell yeah, I love this. All right, let's go to the next one. Next, we have Sunday Driver by Subin. We have the MV. Wait, I forgot to leave a like in the last one. Ooh, oh my eyes. Let me just like his. This is amazing. All right, Subin Sunday Driver. Let's go. Oh my god, it's so cute. Are we gonna have the animation part? Please tell me yes, because it's so cute. He's so pretty. Wow. Oh, what? Are we gonna have a nose crunch today? Ooh, cute. Okay, I'm waiting. He's so sweet. He's so adorable. It's so cute. I can't. I can. With the song, I just can't stop smiling. It's so adorable. I love this plant. Oh, the different playlists in the background. Oh my god, this MV is so cute. Ah, he's so cute. The sunglasses. Yes. Wow, he's so cute. I love this. Oh, that's funny. I love that. Oh, that was so funny. We thought he was, just he was floating, but he kind of was. But oh my god, that makes so much sense. Oh, this song is so adorable. And it's MV, it's kind of trippy. But I love it. I love it. I don't know how to explain, but it's so Subin. These bright and trippy vibes, like it fits his vibe so well, and I love it. Oh, what was happening? What was going on? What is the plant? No, guys, tell me, what is that? What? But okay, we're gonna watch it again, of course, and I'm gonna pause because he looks so adorable and so cute, and his dimples, and he's so cute and so adorable and so cute and adorable. Winner. Wait, what is on his? I think I remember from the other one, but I don't remember. Oh, he got second place. He's still a winner. He's so right. I think there was something I remember from the teaser. There was something in the back about plants. If I remember correctly. Like something with vegetables. I don't remember now, but I remember from the teaser. What? He's so... Look at him. Wow. Stop. Stop. Ah. I need a second. Okay, I'm good. It's just he's so adorable. I just want to squish him. You know what I mean? Oh, Sandy Trevor. I love the art in the CD. It looks so cute. And we had one for every scene, right? I love it. So creative. Stop! I won't be able to survive this. This pause. I can't. He's so cute. Oh, let me see this one. This CD. That looks so cute. The plants and Sumi with the sunglasses. Oh, it's adorable. Oh, okay. Look at a beach one. I love it. So pretty. And this one, the desert. Yeah. I love this. I'm sorry. Oh, I love this one. Wait. Daydream. Oh, I can't read the rest. What is he holding? Oh, he's watering. He's watering the plant. Okay. Got it. Wait. Daydream Whispers of the Forest. Daydream Whispers of the Forest. And this one's the beach again? No, the different one. Where's the beach one? No, it's the sky. Wow, pretty. So cute. here. What is in the back? Biggest contest. It's a veg. Okay. Vegetable contest. Wow, so cute. That's so cute. Wow, I love this art for Sunday Driver. It's so cute. And the bunny? The bunny! Wow. I love this MV. It's so adorable, so cute. Yeah, hell yeah. That was so sweet. And this song, it screams summer. Like, we know that. And I can't wait until I can hear this full summer. Yeah. It's gonna be good. I just know it. Alright, next MV we have Taehyun, Bird of Night. Oh, and I forgot to like the other MV. Wait. Alright, let's go. I'm excited for this MV. I love this song. It's just so Taehyun. Oh my god, I love this. That's why I love this solo so much. Let's go.
모두 잠든 깊은 밤이 말을 걸어와 잠들 수 없는 밤 찌깍대는 시계 소리 도시의 소음만
He's so
점점
pretty.
커져가 쌓여가는 선택 사이 불안함 속에 무거워진 어깨 어른이 된 단건 뭘까 yeah, 전부 흐려져가 날개를 펴 like a bird of night 잠든 도시의 별빛 아래 고요한 밤 나만의 night flight
Oh, it's beautiful.
어둠이 더 깊을수록 빛나 흔들리지 않을 저 별빛은 이 시간의 이유를 I know
Wow.
We should let it go 불확실한 감정들의 이름 잠못 드는 저 바다의 이유 이 세상의 어떤 어둠도 언젠가는 glow 내려다본
Oh my god, he's so handsome.
흔들리는 street lights 마치 내 맘 같아 이름 모를 이의 고민 속에 널 떠올려 혹시 너도 그럴까 별을 향한 내게 주신 내게 닿길 기도하지 깨어있는 이유 별을 향해 너와 함께 나가기 위해 난 날아가 like a bird of night 숱한 고민의 불빛 아래 찬란한 밤
Wow, this is
우리의
beautiful.
night flight
I love this art.
잠들지 못한 제발 어둠이 더 깊을수록 빛나 흔들리지 않을 저 별빛은 이 시간의 이유를 I know We should let it go 같은 별에 바라보고 있을
Jesus.
어둠 속 날 떠올리는 이유 이 세상의 어떤 어둠도 언젠가는 glow
So our chapter together. Blue Hour. I got that. This song is just this vibe, this late night drive vibe. The way that Sunday Driver has this, you know, morning drive, sun drive, bird of night. We have the late night drive. That I love it. When it's like cold outside and a cold night, that's what I will listen on my car. And I love that the MV captured that like really good. I love that in the end it wasn't night anymore, it was the morning, and while he was singing Glow and everything was bright. I like that as well. Oh. Yeah, we're gonna watch it again, of course.
모두 잠든 깊은 밤이
I really wanna read later what he was writing on these tapes.
걸어와 잠들 수 없는 밤 찌깍대는 밤이
I'm sorry.
말을 걸어와
Remember in here. Remember, right? Remember.
잠들 수 없는 밤 찌깍대는 시계 소리 도시의 소음만 점점 커져가 쌓여가는 선택 사이 불안함 속에 무거워진 어깨 어른이 된 단건 뭘까
This song, if I keep reading the lyrics, I get sad and I get mad. Not at the song, but like at myself. Because I keep, you know, thinking, like, just enjoy the song. But this man wanna makes me cry. Wow, he's so handsome, it's crazy.
무거워진 어깨 어른이 된 단건
And his voice.
전부 흐려져가 날개를 펴 like a bird of night 잠든 도시의 별빛 아래 고요한 밤 나만의
I love
night
this.
더 작은 점이 돼 어둠이 더 깊을수록 빛나 흔들리지 않을 저 별빛은 이 시간의 이유를 안 know
Just look at this man. What the hell?
We should let it go 불확실한 감정들의 이름 잠못 드는 저 바다의 이유 이 세상의 어떤 어둠도 언젠가는 glow 내려
I love that because in the song, I remember in the song he was telling like, the day will pass. Like one day, this will glow, and you have these night vibes, and in the end, you have saying, yeah, now it's glowing, glow, 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 and it's the morning. Like the night had passed, and now we're towards healing.
언젠가는 glow 내려다본 도시 흔들리는 street lights 마치 내 맘 같아 이름 모를 이의 고민 속에 널 떠올려 혹시 너도 그럴까 별을 향한 내 곁을
I love this. Wait, let me go back. This man is not real. He is not real at all. Wow.
내게 더 기도하지 깨어있는 이유 별을 향해 너와 함께 나가기 위해 난 날아가 like a bird of night 숱한 고민의 불빛 아래 찬란한 밤 우리의 night flight
I love how they incorporated this artist, this art style in the R&Bs. Like, all of them, if you think about it really. Like, from what I see, because Yeonjun was the artist, so he had art in the actual MV, like painting the art. With Soobin, we have the art style, the animated style inside the MV as well. And now Taehyun, we have the art as well. When I say art, I'm just about paintings, okay? That's what I was trying to say, like this painting style, this animation, this kind of artists. I love it.
잠들지 못한 제발 어둠이 더 깊을수록 빛나 흔들리지 않을 저 별빛은 이 시간의 이유를 안 know We should let it go 같은 별에 바라
he's so handsome. Are you kidding me? Oh. That's crazy. That's crazy. That's a crazy shot. Wow! Stop. Jesus Christ, I'm obsessed. I really want to read. Okay. I can't. I literally can't. Rest and what? It's glowing. It's morning. Glow. The other one, it was written glow. Beautiful. Oh my god, I love this. The MV, the song, the vibes, this cold vibes. I love it. I don't know how to explain, but Bird of Night really gives this cold blue vibes. But at the same time, the cold blue, but a dark blue at the same time. Beautiful. Beautiful song, beautiful MV, beautiful message, like everything will pass and someday this will glow. Alright. Next, oh, I forgot to like. Alright, next one we have Huening Dance with You. Yes! Oh my god, I'm so excited. I've been obsessed with this song. I'm not gonna lie. Obsessed. It's so good. It's so... I want to dance when I listen to the song. Let's go. Let's go chill. Woo! Oh my god, he's so pretty. I'm so sorry. Let's go back. Ele é muito das latinas. Ele é muito das latinas. Wow. Oh my god. Sábado, horário variável. Lunes e viernes. What? I think someone told me, where did he... It was in Mexico? Where did he make this video? The MV. I think someone told me, but I forgot. Yeah, I mean, everything in Spanish. I get it. I get that. Programación de controles de carro. Okay. Car controls. Saturday, they have time. Not time. You get what I mean? Okay. Let me go back. Ooh. I wanna dance with you, hold hands with you. 맞추는 심장위로 너와 함께 추는 춤. 오롯이 너에게 난 나에게 날 맡긴 눈 하나가 되는 둘. I wanna dance with you. I wanna dance with you, hold hands with you. 맞추는 심장위로 너와 함께 Oh my god. No, I'm sorry. I'm so sorry for that, guys. You know what? Let's go back. I'm not gonna pause anymore. In this video, I I I mean, at least in the first watch. But what the fuck? Unikai, what the fuck?
Closer, 너를 알고 싶어 깊은 맘의 끝까지 Slow down, 너를
God.
되감으면 난 네 거리 죄지 네 움직임에 난 매료돼 너의 말투에 특징 숨쉬는 타임ing 같이 같았으면 해 더 나란히 발을 맞춰 맞아 손끝으로 너를 가 I wanna dance with you, hold hands with you 맞추는 심장위로 너와 함께 추는
Oh my god, I'm so obsessed with this song.
너에게 날 맡긴 후 하나가 되는 둘 I wanna dance with you
Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Ooh, let's go!
I wanna dance with you
Let's dance!
I wanna dance with you One step, two steps 다가갈게 더 가까이 내게 마치 뺨에 두 심장의 떨림은 하나가 돼 무도의 눈부신 moonlight 영원히 기억될 starry night 나와 함께 발을 맞춰 너조차 몰랐던 널 허락해줘 I wanna dance with you, hold hands with you 혼자서 출 수 없는 달콤한 이 긴긴 춤 오롯이 너에게 난 나에게 날 맡긴 후 하나가 되는 둘 I wanna dance with you
Oh my god, stop. Hey, 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 hey. Woo.
I wanna dance with you I wanna dance with you I wanna dance with you
I love this song so much. San Luis, Monterrey. Oh, it's red now. Okay. Oh wow. Just wow. I'm looking up where this was filmed. Yeah, it was in Mexico. Yes, that's so cool. Yeah, we're gonna watch it again, and I am gonna pause a little bit because he looks amazing. Let's go. And this song.
Closer, 너를 알고 싶어 깊은 맘의 끝까지 Slow
I can't.
down 너를 되감으면 난 네 거리 죄지 네 움직임에
Stop. Stop.
down 너를 되감으면 난 네 거리 죄지 네 움직임에 난 매료돼 너의 말투에 특징 숨쉬는
Was that really necessary? This shot right here. I mean, I love it, but like, why? You know why?
타임ing까지 같았으면 해 더 나란히 발을 맞춰 맞아
I love this outfit so much.
I wanna dance with you, hold hands with you 맞추는 심장 위로 너와 함께 추는 춤
Please, please, just please. I don't know why. I don't know what for, but please.
I wanna dance with you, hold hands with you 맞추는 심장 위로 너와 함께 추는 춤 오롯이 너에게 난 나에게 날 맡긴 후 하나가 되는 둘 I wanna dance with you
Becoming one. Yeah.
I wanna dance with you, hold hands with you. 맞추는 심장 위로 너와 함께 추는 춤. 오롯이 너에게 난 나에게 날 맡긴.
Yeah, we're talking about dancing here, okay? I give myself to you and you give yourself to me. Sure. Like I said in the other video, they're dancing so close together, there's no room for Jesus.
Dance with you, 맞추는 심장 위로 너와 함께 추는 춤. 오롯이 너에게 난 나에게 날 맡긴 눈. 하나가 되는 둘. I wanna dance with you.
Shit, shit.
나에게 날 맡긴 눈. 하나가 되는 둘. I wanna dance with you. Dance with you.
Oh, wow, wow. So sorry. Ooh. He's so cool.
One step, two steps. 다가갈게 더 가까이 내게. 맞지? 뺨에
Cheek to cheek.
심장에 떨리는 하나가 돼. 많은 무도의 눈부신 moonlight. 영원히 기억될 starry night. 나와 함께 발을 맞춰, 발을 맞춰.
He's so handsome, it's crazy.
너조차 몰랐던 널 허락해줘. I wanna dance with you, hold hands with you. 혼자서 출 수 없는 달콤한 이 긴긴 춤.
The way that he says that line, it just, I'm obsessed.
I wanna dance with you, hold hands with you. 혼자서 출 수 없는 달콤한 이 긴긴 춤. 오롯이 너에게 난 나에게 날 맡긴 눈. 하나가 되는 둘. I wanna dance with you.
Stop. Yeah, this is. He's amazing.
하나가 되는 둘. I wanna dance with you.
Ooh. Hey, wow. Stop. Sorry. Oh, look at him. This is crazy. This is insane. You guys know that, right? I love these vibes. Woo.
I wanna dance with you. I wanna dance with you.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah, you guys told me in the comments that the name of the place was Mama Rumba. Mamba Rumba. Mama Rumba. That's where they filmed. Wow, wow. He's so fine. Yeah, he's so fine. He's so fucking fine. I'm going insane. Alright, we have one more video for today. We have one more MV. I'm happy that we got here to Bongyo's Take My Half. I'm really happy, but I'm sad because the last one. Let's go. Bongyu, take my half. I've been listening. I think this is the song I've been listening most from all of the solos. It's just so beautiful and so Bongyu and mm. Let's go. Mm.
나 빼곤 다 망해버려 절이 없는 소원 빌던 나
Oh, am I gonna cry again?
힘껏 쥔 내 손틈새로 행복은 새어나가기만 해 더 가질수록 커져내져 이 마음을 마주했을 때
It's so pretty.
이젠 아주 작은 것까지 널 위해 반을 비워둘게 Take my hand 난 이제 한편 비로소 자란 듯해 You can take my hand
This song's just so emotional. So pretty. How many boxes does it have?
원하는 게
Wow, he's so pretty. An angel.
헷갈리지 않을래
Oh wow.
움츠러들던 작은 어깨 네 눈물을 위한 둥이 돼 yeah. 이젠 아주 작은 것까지 널 위해 반을 비워둘게 Fill my heart 영혼에 깊게 빈 상처가 메꿔져 You can take my 나의 반을 내게 줄게 내어준 빈자린 이제 행복으로 찬양여 You can take my half Just
Stop.
take my half Just take my half
Doesn't matter how many times I listen to the song, the feeling's the same. It's the same feeling. It's so emotional. I feel I don't know how to explain how I feel, but it's beautiful. Another one that did this animation style, the painting, drawing thing. I love it. I love it. I love it. Wow. Bongyu. Songs are just so beautiful. The MV, I love how they had like the half of the screen was like bright and the other no, kind of dark. Yeah, we're gonna watch it again. It was beautiful. The song's already so emotional and the MV just got that really good. The the vibe, that emotional vibe. I love the shots. It was really very aesthetic, pleasing. You know what kind of reminds me of this MV? The House Moving Castle. I think I don't remember if I said it in the teaser. I really don't remember if I said it, but it reminds me so much of House Moving Castle. It's the colors, I guess. I don't know. This feud. Wow, he's so handsome.
나 빼곤 다 망해버려 절이 없는 소원 빌던 나
Look at him. His face is so perfect. It's kind of insane.
힘껏 쥔 내 손틈새로 행복은 새어나가기만 해 더 가질수록 커져내져 이 마음을 마주했을 때 이젠 아주 작은 것까지
Wow. It's so pretty. Stop.
이젠 아주 작은 것까지 널 위해 반을 비워둘게 Take my hand
Oh, it has a lot of storage boxes.
비로소 자란 듯해 You can take my hand 정말 원하는 게
Wow, he's so pretty. Handsome, handsome boy.
뭔지
This is so Bongyeon.
헷갈리지
Wow, this is beautiful.
않을래 움츠러들던 작은
I just realized he can't get in anymore. I didn't realize it. Wow, he can't get in anymore. It's full of these boxes. Wow.
작은 어깨
I really want to know what's written here. So, if anyone, you know. Oh, I think it's just the lyrics. For my heart, can take my half. Is it the lyrics? Oh.
네 눈물을 위한
My damn creature. I love this lyrics so much. I love this lyrics so fucking much. Shit.
이젠 아주 작은 것까지 널 위해 반을 비워둘게 Feel my heart 영혼에 깊게 빈 상처가 메꿔져 You can take my
I don't know how to explain how much I love this MV and this song.
You can take my hand 날 반을 내게 줄게 내어준 빈자린 이제 행복으로 찬란혀 You can take my half Just take my half Just take my half
What a way to end this video. I love these solo songs. I love that we had the MV for each solo. It was amazing. All of the songs, like, if I couldn't hear their voices, you know it's their song. Like their vibes, it's so them. I love that. I love the MV. Also get their vibes. That was amazing. That was really, really so beautiful. Wow. Guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, leave a comment, and I'll see you next time. And don't forget to subscribe as well for more TXT. I'll see you next time. Bye.